What's up, world? What's up, world? We are back at it again. And in today's episode, we have been rejected for the third time, and it's really heartbreaking. But yeah, last time I was rejected close to 8 times. This time I'm saying everything is close to positive. But these are the steps that it usually takes to deploy an app to the App Store. So you're in good hands because I show you everything. Let's get into today's episode and let's see why we were rejected. Yeah, guys, let's get started. First, I'll need to log into my account. Uh, where is it? I hope you've had a wonderful week. Mine has been quite awesome. Uh, have some good news later. You'll check it out in a video that's coming. But shout out, stay tuned, guys. I got lots planned for this channel, and we're just starting. Let's launch. Let's check out the new rejection. First, I'll need to share my screen. Hope you can see it. Let's play some music first. Then we can log into app analytics. You should see this. It's really tough. T for tough, guys. I'll make a video one day diving into the analytics, and you'll understand how hard it is to build an app. But that's not what we wanted today. That's a video that will be coming soon. Okay, stay tuned. This was our newly rejected app, Beta OS. We can head over to app review and see what the issue was. Head over to app review. They said business payment subscription and performance accurate metadata. Let's have a look at them. Let's head over to YouTube. It's raining over here, cats and dogs. This time they said they said hello, thank you for your effort to follow our guidelines. There are some outstanding issues that still need your attention. If you have any questions, we are here to help. Reply to this message in App Store Connect and let us know. Our review environment, it was same environment, iPad Air 11-inch M3, version 1.0, February 26th. By the way, this came in 2 days ago, but I told you I've been really feeling off this week, so a lot of going on live I've been procrastinating, but I have noted something. Once you get started, it's easy as fuck, so trust me. Once you get started with something, go all in. It will be easier to continue. The first guideline that we didn't complete was performance accurate metadata. We noticed that your promotional image to be displayed on the App Store does not sufficiently represent the associated promoted in-app purchase and or win-back offer. Specifically, we found the following issues with your promotional image. Your promotional image is the same as your apps icon. Next, to resolve the issue, please visit your promotional image to ensure it's unique and accurately represents the associated promoted in-app purchase and or win-back offer. Resources, they send some resources. We just open them in another tab. The next one, the business payment subscription, issue description. The submission did not include all the required information for app offering auto-renewable subscription. The following information need to be included in the App Store metadata. A functional link to the terms of use, EULA. That is always required. This time I use the Apple service EULA. Uh, so we should note that let's always create our terms of service. Always note that when you're creating an app, create your own terms of service. 100%? Yeah. Then include a link to the terms of use in the app description. If you are using a custom EULA, add it in App Store Connect. Next step, update the App Store metadata to include the following specified above. To include the information specified above. Resources, app offering app renewable subscription must include all of the following required information in the app itself. Title of auto-renewing subscription. This may be the same as the in-app purchase product. Length of subscription, description, and price of subscription, and functional link to the privacy policy and EULA. Okay. Okay, so we need to also provide a functioning link to our terms of service or end user agreement license. That's what it means in full. So what we should do is head over to where is it? First thing we should do is create. Let's check out this 2.3.2. If we didn't solve that, if we did, we ask them what's up, why they're telling us that. But let's check. Let's start by going over here. Then we can scroll all the way down here to in-app purchases, lifetime subscription. And we can tell them that it's not the same, right? What do you think? Then maybe they're saying something about subscription. So over here on subscription, you can check pro. Let's skip this fucking ad. Hey, I even forgot about it. Then yearly subscription, product ID, yearly duration, 1 year. Monthly, 1 month. So maybe we need to change over here. Then we need to change the image because it's the only one that's still same as the logo of the app, right? So what we can do is, guys, I gave you a secret. AI Studio. So I'll just log into my AI Studio over here. And while you're waiting for it to load, I am saying I am creating a promotional image for my yearly subscription in my app. my app is about. Then we paste in the description of the app, and then what we can do is also get the requirements of the required image for the App Store Connect. Here it is. We needed to look at add or remove image like we did last time, guys. Make sure you catch up with our streams. They might be long, but you usually learn a lot. So we control C. Then we paste that in. Then what we can next do is one more click over there. Then we can say my app is about, and then we can tell it, and this is the requirements to make the image, guys. Then we can just paste in our product description. We can go back, then go back to app, not app information. What the hell? The rejected bills. And we can say kindly keep it in brand. Kindly keep it in brand with my app. Then we can paste in the logo and the previous image. How do you attach something? Fucking here, man. No tools. Don't around here. Then I say upload file. Last image it generated for us. Do you guys remember? It was this. And where's my fucking logo? Where is it here? Yeah. And then we click on open. And then we wait for it to complete. To anyone who's joining, thank you for joining my live. Make sure to subscribe if you want to learn more about how to launch apps, because as I said, we will be doing this regularly. No, we can't use this. What we can tell it for the yearly subscription, make it a bit different, please. Then we tell it thank you, control A. By the way, I told you guys I usually tell it thank you because I never want to be on AI's bad side. If you see what it does over right now, man, blows my mind. Then we can download this then and then just use it, right? Yeah, let's do that. Rename it first. Remember to rename it. Then head over to downloads. Double click or right click. Click on rename. Then change to name to promo image yearly. Then click on enter. Once that is done, I'm sorry for that, we can actually drag and drop it to our interface. Where are we? Subscription over here, then you go to promo, then scroll down to yearly subscription, guys. Then go over here, remove this, delete, take this, catch it, wrap it here. That's how it's done. Now let's do the same for monthly subscription. Monthly. Once that's done, it always automatically saves. Uh, we submit that for review, like 1, 2. Then, man, this fucking rain, man. You can go back. Then you can go to monthly. Heading over to monthly, let's generate another one on monthly. Where is it? Now let's tell it. Let us make a better one for the monthly subscription mate. We are done with yearly, and the style looked too similar to the lifetime. Come on, aren't you creative enough? Fucking hell. Then let's tell it. Now let's work on the yearly one. Then you tell it thanks. So guys, am I just polite, or do you guys tell your AI thanks, or it's an issue with me? Once that is done, we can work on the terms of service. If you remember, we had created the page already, so we just need to change the fucking link. Yay! Yeah. Then we can download this. No, we are now working on monthly. Let us return to our previous style. Then we tell it thanks. Then we paste in the previous style, right, guys? Then we can head over to upload files. Not generate, yeah, generated that. Upload that. Once it's done uploading, we can send it. Could really use a drink right now, but I'm not sure if it's late. We'll check that out.
Get YouTube Music Premium with this toggle thing. All I know is I'm here today, I'm healthy, and I use medical cannabis, so I'm thankful. I achieved complete clinical remission from the cannabis.
Now we can download this once more. Then we need to rename it again Man, renaming is shit.
Name would disappear. It was instant.
Double click on that.
I always look at canvas being that stuff. People say
Rename. What do you rename it to?
I'd like to see it. So
Promo
criminalized.
image monthly and enter. Once that's done, we can head over to run your fingers round them. Then we can drag this and drop it here. Once that's done, we can save and submit for review. Then, do we actually need a new build? Yes, we do. Man, that's always shitty and boring as fuck. It usually takes a long time. But I think I made a build yesterday. Let me remember. Oh, by the way, I usually work on the code behind the scenes. You guys just don't see me working on the code. You see me working on the front side of it. I don't vibe code. I'm a programmer, so it usually takes me a minute. It's usually boring for people who don't code. Yearly subscription. That is done. App preview. First thing, let's check on that. Let's fucking check on that, right? And then this is how I can reply to them. Hello, Apple app review team. Thanks so much. The feedback you have given me is so helpful. That's not the spelling of helpful. However, I would like to confirm something. When you said the in-app purchase the promotional image was similar with the logo you meant the subscription question mark. I had changed the in-app purchase screen but left the subscription similar with the logo. I thought that was okay because it was optional. Only the in-app purchase requires a promotional image. However, I have changed all of them. I hope that could you guys spell for me satisfy the requirements? Then I can tell them thank you so much for your time. Then I can give them a full stop. I won't send it yet. Maybe I can just save it as draft. Then after we have worked on the EULA, we get back on this. So last time you remember I had bought the domain and hosted a dummy website. I haven't gotten enough time to work on the website because as I told you guys, work is piling up, and then I also have some surprises I have for the channel. Man, I hope we grow this year. Let's see what it will need us to take, what it will take us to actually grow. So what we need to do is actually let me check, head over to our website betteros.space. Then I'll need the terms page. Is the terms and condition. Not sure if I copy the sheet or I'm not sure if I, as Dylan Page puts it, I copy the con casserole or I copy the link. Let me just do that. Then copy this as well. Until here. Control C. Head over back. Then we can say continue draft. We actually save draft. Once it's saved, let's go back to app preview. Then we can go over to where is it? EULA. EULA is usually in app information. Remember that. Then we'll remove this. Then edit and apply a custom EULA. Paste our own. Then we say it applies to every country. What the hell has happened to that editing? Let me check once more. Because where is 1 point something all the way to, it's now eligibility, then 3.1. Yeah, that's okay. So this section 1.1, 1.2, 1, 2, then 3, 3.1, 4, 4.1, 4.2. Yeah, that's it guys. So what I can do in the EULA is just write the 1 and 2 over here. So I'll just write 1 full stop space, then 2 full stop space. So 1, acceptance of terms. By accessing, you agree whatever these terms constitute, you agree all that shit. Then it applies to all countries that I have my app running, and I can click on done. Then I can click on save. I'll need to save this as well. After I have saved this, have I created the build? I haven't, right? So let me just check if I created the build. I'll need to delete this build. Guys, these things are boring. I'm telling you. If you're down to create apps, it's really boring. You'll get like over 20 rejections. But there I usually exaggerate my numbers. Uh, Let's continue. After that, what do we need to do? We already have the billing, the terms and conditions scoped. We need to build it now. So build, we can start anti-gravity. Anti-gravity. We can expand this to all projects. Let's see. This is the app I want. And we also need to check Expo if we created a new build yesterday. Where's the name Expo? Not fucking there, right? Let me finish with this live, then I can go out later. Then Beta OS submission 3 days ago. So we didn't create. Come on, 3 days ago. How? Yeah, 3 days ago it was rejected 24 hours later. That's why. So we need to build with anti-gravity. Let me dismiss this. I've exhausted my credits for vibe coding. This wants to go to the out. Let me also go with her. Let's leave that building because it usually takes a minute. Then let's actually go for a water break and give you a chance to spy on where I live. I just want to leave this building. So yes, build platform iOS profile production. That's okay. Then I can show you where this is. How do you fucking turn the camera on this one? Let me see.
Get YouTube Music Premium with this toggle thing.
Let's see where we actually got to. Whoever joined, thanks for joining. I'm sorry I had gone out, but let's continue. Our app was building. Let's wait for it to complete. Yeah. Now let's continue. We're waiting for it to finish building. Then we can finally see if the third time is the charm this time. Last time I was rejected, I'm not sure, 5 to 8 times. So I have no expectations. Like I'm already used to being let down at this moment. Apple, though they are better than your girlfriend. uh, Whoever has joined, thanks for joining us. Still water break time, guys. Finally, I have waited for it. Let's get back at it. Like the fucking song coming up next. Listen to Righteous. My password. All I wanna be Okay, the build is now processing. Let's wait for it. Now we're waiting for that to complete. Miss, say hi. Say hi. All I wanna be, all I wanna be. Guys, let me take you out. Uh, let's go get a drink. Just a short from. Let's leave the app presenting while it's building. We'll be back. If you join the live